Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you some things about this LED replacement for high intensity discharge lamps from V-TAC, and then I will show you the startup of this lamp in this cool tube reflector. So in this reflector we have the lamp, and here we have the box from this lamp. And as I said, so this lamp is from V-TAC. The name of this lamp is LED olive lamp. Here we have that this lamp uses SMD chips from Samsung. This lamp has 4300 lumen and 6500 Kelvin. So this lamp has bright and very cool white light. This lamp has 36 watts. The base is E27. This lamp has more than 20,000 switching cycle. The nominal lifespan is 20,000 hours, and CRI or RA or the color rendering index is more than 80 from 100. So the color rendering is good. And here we have some signs. And this one is very important. And this sign here means that you will need some enclosed luminaire for this lamp. Because IP is only 20. IP is the international protection. And this first number, 2, is the level of protection from the other objects and from the sand. And this second number, 0, is the level of protection from the water. So this lamp has 0 protection from the water and also bad protection from the sand and from the other objects. And for this reason you will need some enclosed luminaire. And because these SMDs produce a lot of heat, so we have here these holes. One is here, one is here, and one is on the other side. So we have 3 holes here, and 1 hole is here, and these holes are here for better airflow and also for better cooling. Because, as I said before, these SMDs produce a lot of heat, so these holes are very important. And this lamp is plastic, of course, but under this plastic cover we have an aluminum base. And here under this white plastic oval place, here and also here, and also here we have these SMD chips. And thanks to these white plastic covers, we have nice diffused light. And because the base is E27, so for this reason I have here this reduction from E40 to E27. Okay, that's it. And now I will show you the startup of this LED replacement for high intensity discharge lamps. Let's do it. As I said before, and as you can see, so we have bright and very cool white light. And the color rendering is good. This light is nice. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and bye.